Morning guys. We don't have enough time like to do a long video on 550 because you guys want to go and play, and some of you are playing at the bets. So this is 550. I'm just gonna show you one simple strategy that you can use. If you want the full strategy, as I told you, it's in the book. I'm still promoting the book. The book is out. It is in a PDF form. So let's get to 550. The book has got 550, it's got Mega Million, it's got 536, it's got UK 49. It's a lot. You're going to enjoy it, but take it slowly. You cannot learn in a day. You'll study it maybe a week or so, or depending on how quick you are on like learning something. Okay, so let's go to 550 fast before it closes, because I see now we don't have enough time. Okay, so I'm going to go to Gosloto. Okay, and then I open here. This is normally with 550, it's a little bit tricky than other Goslotos. So the easiest strategy that I can give you now is this one. Add all these numbers. We're going to say 7 plus 4 plus 6 plus 2. Those are the bonuses. Then you're going to say times 4. Let me see how much is that. So we say times 4. Just after, it's like 7, it's 18. Then it's in 11, 17, 18, 19. So we get a 19. 19 times 4. Okay, so let me see. I'm not using a calculator, I'm using my head now. Okay, so that's 76. 6. Answer is 76. So it brings back these two. Okay, so if our answer is 76, it means that we're going to add the get a 13, we subtract to get a 1, and then maybe we take this, we spin this one is a 9. Okay, are we clear there? Let me not waste time. Let me just give you what I need to give you. Okay, another thing that we must notice with this draw, remember this one is the draw from yesterday morning, so we're going to use these results to bring back today's results. We skip this draw. Let's see, I want to see something. So I'm going to say 46 plus 50 times 2. Let's go to the calculator. I want to see something. We're going to say, where's the calculator? What was that? It was 4650. Okay, so 46 plus 50 times 2. It's 146. 146. Okay, so let's go back to that. 146. So if it's 146, it means if I say 46 times 50 plus 50, take 46 plus 50 times 2, it's 146. So you see 146, there was 47 there, there was 44 there, and then say 14 plus that is a 20, minus that is an 8. It's an 8. So I'm sure that when I say 44, 14, 16, 18, 47, 10, 8. Maybe they can as well spin this number and make it a 49. I hate using this app with a lot of colors. That's why I always want to do my things on a fresh page, but I don't have time now. We're behind time. Let me see other fingers that I can give you. 34. Actually, I'm sorry, it's clumsy now, but it's okay. So yeah, guys, you can go and try 550, but to be safe, you're going to also say 27 plus 50 times 2. Understand? You get another code, you use it again. And also with this one, you're going to have a chance of balancing, and maybe if these numbers they not come in the morning, at night they'll come. It's like in UK, that's what they do. Remember, these guys, they're fighting with us. but the banker must be around, you see, 18 maybe and 34. I'm not sure about that. Okay, so yeah guys, to still open the group and the book, you can just follow the link at the bottom of the first comment, or let me leave my number because some of you are battling to get the link. 078 126 0741. That's it. Okay guys, I hope you guys will boom today. Thank you very much.